Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Actually, welcome to the vlog. Today we are at Wits University. It's not our first day. We are getting our student cards.
It's my first day.
Oh, it's Man's first day. Pictured over here is our beautiful friend Usman. Uti Stark.
Uti 10 star.
Uti 10 Stark. You can find him on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and most importantly Xbox. He's always playing Fortnite.
Away, flowers on your face, and then from the 80s, someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So WASEEM, tell us, what does it feel like to be back on campus, even though you don't know if you're going back online?
I don't know what it's like to be back on campus. Haven't been on campus properly, so it's good to be on campus.
Okay. Hello Naran.
Hi everyone. At Wits, getting our student card sorted out, and it's actually a very exciting time for all of us. I feel as though I'm in a new country and we are tourists.
Okay.
And we're just admiring all the people and
the vibes.
site.
I think that's the science building over there.
There was a dead rat there on the floor.
Is it still
I
there?
don't know, can we go check it?
It was like somewhere here.
It was somewhere. And I think we should have a little memorial.
Dead rat's gone. Rest in peace, rat. Splinter. Over here we have the Chamber of Mines. It's a very depressing building considering I'm studying electrical engineering. So we walked a very long way and it's all WASEEM's fault because registration is closed. Anything else you want to say for us?
I would like to say I still haven't gotten a tour from my fellow Witsies that have been here for a year.
Excuse me, we have walked around the whole of Wits for about 2 hours trying to get our student cards renewed. I think that's more than enough.
I was just walking past buildings, no one told me what.
Man, you have eyes. Read. Pictured we have Naran and WASEEM. We are currently in the Great House Solomon?
Matalangu.
I'm just vlogging right now.
Yeah.
I'm just going to make a prediction that WASEEM is going to be the first of us to get married. And can I be a bride? Can I be a best man?
Bride!
Bridesmaid. No, sorry, I was going to say bridesmaid. Can I be a best man?
No comment at this point in time.
Okay, I'll ask you in a couple of weeks when you've proposed and everything.